Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell about my discount offer, 100% discount offer for my AA course. 100% discount offer in the sense you can freely access my AA course during this offer period. For using this offer, just to click the link provided in this description. Okay, that link is loaded with this 100% discount code Jan26. Okay, and in this case during this offer period it will be showing the price as 0. Just to click this buy this button, so here that discount code will be loaded automatically Jan26, and the price net price is 0, right? You have to just give your email ID to get the access to the AA course. Additionally, if you want, you can scan this QR code to access this link. Okay, and tell about this free offer to your friends also by sharing this video on social media. This course has a lot of information. It has around 8 hours of tutorial videos covering various topics. It is useful for both beginners as well as professionals. You can go through the details, right? Simply starting with what is AI, understanding AI basics, and using ChatGPT, AI tools, Notebook LM, prompt engineering, AI hallucinations, AI for digital marketing, like a lot of use cases for AI. So it is beginner friendly, as well as if you go beyond these things, you can see a lot of advanced topics like Hugging Face and TensorFlow, RAG, and using API and AI agents, chatbot, AI chatbot tutorial, computer vision, MCP, LangGraph, context engineering. So it has a lot of tutorial videos running more than 8 hours. All that videos are provided with subtitles, and you can download that videos. And moreover, it has a lot of ebooks also, like 9 AI related ebooks. You can go through the list here. And apart from videos and ebooks, it has a lot of code samples also. Okay, so it is really useful for both beginners as well as professionals. Just make use of this free offer. Normally I sell it for $19, so you can save $19 by using this offer. And if you want to earn money by referring this course to others, you can contact me. I am offering 50% affiliate commission. Okay, so it's a good opportunity to earn money. And suppose if you like this course, and if you need one-on-one AA coaching, you can contact me for one-on-one AA coaching for affordable hourly charges. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you face any difficulty in using this offer, contact me, and just to make sure that you are using it before the offer ends. Okay, thanks.